Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of creating cinematic videos in CapCut. So let's just get started here. I'm going to upload the video first, or create a new project first. Click on create project and let's just use video from CapCut library. For example, I'm going to use this. A second. Okay, this photos right here. I select this video. Click on the plus icon. And now you can just head into filter and search this filter called Wong Way. So add it into your clip. It will automatically make your video looks so much better. You can adjust the intensity. I'm going to go with 90. Now click on adjustment and add custom adjustment to your clip. Here and scroll down and adjust the temperature into 20. The color into 9. And then the brightness or exposure to -9. Contrast -13. And the highlight 14. Shadow -10. White 8. And black still on 0. Illumination or brilliance, set it into 15. Now add some fade effect. I'm going to add around 18 like this, and this is the final look. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also, thanks. Bye.